Hi there, I'm Jesse from Follow Me North Photography, and I just wanted to quickly outline what's ahead and help you figure out if we're the right fit for your photography journey. If you've been craving a deeper connection to your photography and to nature and to yourself, then you're in the right place. My wife Susan and I are professional wildlife and landscape photographers living just outside of Algonquin Park. And throughout the years, we've created many hands-on photography workshop experiences designed to meet you where you're at and help you move forward with more focus and confidence. So whether that's in full auto mode or I accidentally bought a $5,000 camera and I have no idea what half these buttons do mode, we're truly passionate about helping you move forward with more clarity and confidence and less frustration. This is about growth, not gear envy. Our signature workshop experience in Algonquin Park starts with connection to nature, to the wildlife, and to your own creative instincts. It doesn't matter what kind of camera you have or how long you've been using it. This is a private one-on-one photography workshop experience focused on helping you build more confidence in the field. You'll learn how to actually understand your settings. Whether you're shooting in auto mode, aperture priority, shutter priority, we'll work with your comfort level. And if you're up for it, we'll even introduce you to our favorite manual settings. No need to feel intimidated. We've worked with people that simply use an iPhone and want to create better compositions, to those who have some of the best gear on the market, but still struggle to learn their best settings. We like to break down those barriers that are holding you back, unveil the fun in photography again, and minimize those frustrations. We bet you'll be shocked on how much you can learn in just one day when shooting side by side. It can be quite rewarding to finally have it all click. Yes, pun fully intended. We'll also introduce you to some of our favorite wildlife locations and teach you how to read the scene, anticipate the moments, and capture images that tell a story. Whether it's your first time exploring Algonquin Park or returning with new goals, we'll help you see it with fresh eyes. And here's the best part. It's just for you. It's not a group. It's not a crowded tour. It's just you. If you want to bring along a couple fellow photographers or friends, that's totally cool too. No extra cost. Just split the fee, share the laughs, maybe argue whoever got the best shot, and we're good with all of it. We'll tailor our pace and locations to match your comfort level. We'll shape each workshop experience to maximize the goals of yourself and your guests. You'll also notice that we offer an optional 4-hour VIP add-on experience at Aspen Valley Wildlife Sanctuary, where we'll personally guide you through a behind-the-scenes visit. If you've never heard of Aspen Valley, they provide permanent homes to many animals who unfortunately can't be returned to the wild. Many of them came from rough or captive situations and now live their best lives in peace at the sanctuary. They're also the only facility in Ontario licensed to rehabilitate moose calves and one of the very few equipped to care for aquatic mammals year-round. So translation, they're kind of a big deal. So during this add-on session, you'll have up to 4 hours to photograph the permanent residents like lynx, wolves, bears, and yes, even a moose, from unique angles around their enclosures that are not accessible to their public tours. It's basically like a backstage pass of the sanctuary for us to help you dial in your skills even more to get the best possible shots. As you'll see in the workshop breakdown on our website, a good portion of your workshop fee goes directly back to supporting the sanctuary. Susan and I donate our time for free, and 100% of your donation helps support the rescue, rehabilitation, and the lifelong care of the animals who call Aspen Valley home. It's something we deeply believe in, and we're proud to share it with you. Your donation truly makes a difference. All of our workshop experiences are built on the same foundation: ethical, hands-on learning with no pressure, no egos, and helping you capture images that actually reflect what it felt like to be there. And most importantly, just having fun and making it all make sense to you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How can we guarantee wildlife sightings? Well, truthfully, we can't. And that's part of being an ethical wildlife photographer. We don't bait, we don't feed or pressure animals for the sake of a photo. What we do offer is the experience, the knowledge, and the awareness to help you recognize patterns, read behavior, and return to nature with a more trained and ethical eye. Even if an animal doesn't appear, you'll leave with more new skills, renewed focus, and the confidence to return to Algonquin Park, or anywhere in nature for that matter, with purpose and preparation. The goal isn't to fill a checklist, it's to build a lasting relationship with the landscape and learn how to see what's always been there. There's always something to see. So if you're after those guaranteed moose selfies or a list of every animal just to see in one day, this might not be the right fit for you. But if you're looking for a deeper, more meaningful experience with your camera and the natural world, we'd love to guide you through it. Although that being said, with our extensive local knowledge of the park, We do have a great track record, and we love setting our guests up for success with future visits on their own as well. We host these private workshops all year long, and we recommend reaching out early if you've got a specific season or date in mind. Once you fill out your booking request form, we'll connect by phone or by Zoom to discuss further details such as what to bring, how to dress for the weather, and a few optional gear tips. That way you'll feel ready and relaxed before we even meet. In the meantime, feel free to poke around our website, explore the different workshop options, maybe even stalk us on Instagram and Facebook, and definitely check out our Google reviews. They're written by real people, not AI bots or family members. We want you to be sure that you're in good hands, so please do your research. We've had guests tell us things like, I wish I found this type of photography workshop many years earlier, as I finally understand my camera now, and also realize that I need more time in nature. That's the kind of connection and clarity we hope to create for you too. Once you're ready and you've chosen a workshop that speaks to you, simply click the booking request button, fill out a few questions, and we'll be in touch to line up both of our schedules. Our mission is simple: inspiring connections with nature and each other through photography. We look forward to inspiring you to create your best landscape and wildlife photos yet, all while enjoying your time in nature. Let's connect soon. Send in your booking request before you convince yourself you're not ready. Spoiler alert, you're ready now. We'll keep an eye open for your request. Bye for now.